Oh, Sonny D in North Bergen, New Jersey. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the licensed optician behind the lens today. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm having seen Mo Better looking Mo Better and show everyone else I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. When I show you Sonny D's, that's my nickname for him, by the way, but it's part of his email address. He is getting the Goliath Ultra 1, not to be mistaken with 2. He's getting the 1 in matte black. The 1 is size 58, the 2 is size 62. Now, this frame is large enough, but I affectionately call the Ultra 2, the windshield. But you'll see when I put it on old Carl here, Carl Zeiss, my model, what it looks like. You're going to get the original demo lenses that came out of the frame, the Goliath cleaning cloth, the card of authenticity, the Zeiss cleaning cloth, my premium microfiber cloth, and instructions not only on how to care for your frame and lenses, but for all 3 cleaning cloths and case, so it will last you for years. Now this is the unique thing. They don't come with, because of the size, they don't make a hard shell case. They've got the slip-in faux alligator skin, snake skin, I don't know what it is, but it's the Goliath case that these fit into. And they barely fit into them at that, but that's what you get with any of the Goliaths. Now I'll have a link in the description below, as well as at the end of this video. The frames sell for $3.99 complete with 1 free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses or non-prescription fashion lenses. This frame comes in about 4 or 5 colors, and as I mentioned, there's the 2 sizes. And he got, this is his very first pair of glasses. It's like getting a Mercedes on your 16th birthday. He's getting the Zeiss Progressive Light D digital freeform progressive lenses, the PhotoFusion Extra Gray with DuraVision Platinum Anti-Glare. I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye, his ad power, same for the left. The packets that the lenses came in: Progressive Light D 1.59, the refractive index of polycarbonate, PhotoFusion Extra Gray, the premium DuraVision Platinum Anti-Glare treatment. And again, I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye, same for the left. So his prescription is plus 50. That is, in the optical world, the unit of measurement is called diopter, spelled D-I-O-P-T-E-R, starting at 0, which we say plano, goes up in quarter increments, 0.25, 0.50. He's on the second rung of a ladder. Most people don't even think they need glasses. They get to a 1 for distance, that is, 1 1/4 above, but he's tired of the over-the-counter reading glasses and wants something a little nicer with all the bells and whistles. So instead of on and off, this is his first pair of progressive lenses. Now, because it's his first pair, I will put a link in the description below that shows you what to expect and how to use your first pair of progressive lenses. Essentially, you're going to have 3, and you can see the words here as I move it back and forth. The prescription will change. You have the distance in the top. Right below where the pupil is going to be is what's known as the intermediate area, which is arm's reach. Cutting vegetables on the counter, reading a label at the grocery store is just below the pupil. And then the very bottom is the full strength of the reading, which is elbows touching your side, arms bent at a right angle. If you were threading a needle, which you would do about right here as a kid, that's the full strength of the reading. The doctor calls that the working distance, as generally 16 to 18 inches, and all 3 are built in there. So again, when you look at things, and at eye level, if you're talking to someone, Sonny, if someone is directly in front of you, you may have to tilt your head up just a little bit to see them clearly. And if you look at the cloth, you can see how things move. There's a wave or a progression. But again, I'll have a link in the description below. My sales pitch for progressives is that they cost more and you're going to hate them. How's that for a hard sell? And then at the end of a week, you're going to wonder how you ever lived without them. Now, the nice thing about Sonny's prescription, the older you get, the more you need them, the easier it is to get adjusted. Hyperopes, who are farsighted like he and I are, get adjusted to it easier, because myopes can always take off their glasses and see up close. That's why they're nearsighted. They can see near. He and I are both farsighted, so we have no choice. But whenever we want something to be extra blurry, like my wedding band, I would take my glasses off. But when I move my head up, of course I'm moving the camera up too, but I'm moving my head up to look through the bottom of the lens, and I can see things clearly. So This is the Ultra one in the 58 eye size. Believe it or not, there is a larger frame that I call the windshield, and it's for those guys out there with big melon heads. You know who you are. I don't have to pick you out. You know you got a big old noggin out there, and that's about the only pair of glasses that'll fit you. But these are the Jimmy Glicks. If you haven't checked him out, Google him on YouTube and watch his videos. He is absolutely hysterical. He just did one recently with Bill Maher on Bill Maher's show. Yes, Bill was high on his show, but he was in tears, about to pee on himself. Jiminy Glick had him rolling so hard. But, of course, it might have been them fat doobies he was rolling before the show. But let me show you what they look like while they're dark. Yes, this is the Ultra from Goliath. And, of course, as printed on the frame, this frame is made in Holland. Now, these are distributed by Kazal. The owner of Goliath was very good friends with the owner of Kazal. When the owner of Goliath died, the Kazal owner said he will distribute these, continue to distribute these in the U.S. for his old friend, so that the factory wouldn't go out of business and that they could keep their full staff. So I get these through Kazal. There was recently a price increase, so I do apologize for anyone in the future. We have raised the price to $3.99 on all the Goliath frames. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken, a little bit longer when you come back inside. 45 seconds to a minute, minute 15. Now, this is important. Sonny and everyone else, all photochromic lenses are going to get dark on day one. However, they keep getting darker and darker every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time they don't work perfectly is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet radiation that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, having said that, these Zeiss PhotoFusion Extra Gray will get up to 50% dark behind a windshield. They're also, photochromic lenses are also temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you are miserable, they are miserable. Nobody or nothing works 100% when it's 100 degrees outside. We all work much better when it cools off. Now, having said that, these Zeiss PhotoFusion Extra Gray are designed for extra active people who spend extra amounts of time outside and will get darker in hotter weather. So if you live in California, Nevada, Texas, Louisiana, Florida, or if you just want the darkest lens possible when you're outdoors or when driving, go with the PhotoFusion Extra Gray. Now, the Zeiss Light D adds $149 for the progressive. You get single vision lenses are still free. The Zeiss digital freeform progressive adds $149. The PhotoFusion gray, brown, green, or blue adds $99. The Extra Gray costs more because it does more. And the DuraVision Platinum Anti-Glare is at $99. That's the premium. It has the least amount of reflection and certain lighting at certain angles. Now, the other nice thing about photochromic lenses, they were the original blue blocking lenses long before there were cell phones, tablets, computer screens, or anyone being concerned about blue light. The photochromic lenses were doing the protection from that. They will block over 50% of the harmful blue light emitted from those devices indoors and over 95% outdoors, because the sun is the #1 source of blue light on the planet. So you're going to get all the protection. You got the PhotoFusion Extra Gray. These will get 50% dark behind a windshield. The regular PhotoFusion gray, brown, green, and blue will only get up to 30%. These will get 50% dark behind a windshield. As I was mentioning, the reason why it takes, they get darker and darker every day for the first couple weeks, the speed at which they turn now, which is phenomenal, both to dark and then back to clear. With the pros come the cons. In order to turn faster, it takes them about 2 weeks to get to their maximum darkness. They could do that on day one. However, it would take a long time for them to turn dark outside and then return back to clear. So that seems to be the happy medium. Everything in life is a compromise. With the good comes the bad. So in order to make one thing better, they had to change something, and that change meant that they get darker and darker every day for the first 2 weeks. But if you have any questions, go to the Contact Us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com or call Jigsaw, my partner / apprentice, at 919-491-2411. He's a great lens stylist, frame stylist. Ask for the red carpet service, meaning just tell him what you want. Instead of, we carry Zeiss, Essilor, Hoya, Shamir, all the different frames, all the relief lenses, the DigiBoost, the Smart Life series, the Eisen, the everything from every lens company. So if it's confusing to you, that's why all the other companies simplify things and offer one option. Because we're independent, we offer things from everyone. But because it is confusing what to pick, just call Jigsaw, tell him what you want, the lens options, the frames. He'll build the cart for you, meaning that he'll literally do it in real time at no extra charge. That's the red carpet service that he provides. You can use any credit card to check out: MasterCard, Visa, Discover, American Express, HSA, Flex cards. We take those, and we'll get Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, all that stuff. PayPay. Hey. No, okay. No. Again, I digress. Yes, I take my job seriously, just not myself. But yeah, we'll do all that for you. You can still order manually through the website. That's no problem. But we offer that red carpet service at no additional charge, just in case you have any questions, you want to talk to somebody in real time. We'll get everything ordered for you. We'll notify you from our stamps.com shipping label. As soon as it prints out, you'll get the email with the tracking number. You can click on it and follow it along the way. We make things as easy as possible. All sales are tax-free, because medical devices here in North Carolina are tax-free with free shipping anywhere in the U.S. And that's priority mail shipping, and I pay for that. You get upgraded to priority mail, so everything you receive will be in 2 days in a larger city, 3 days in a smaller town. But North Bergen, New Jersey will probably be 2 days. These will get shipped on Thursday the 24th. He'll be rocking these on Saturday. But again, Sonny D, I'll have a link in the description below on how to use your progressives for the first time. So just be patient. We live in an ADD world. I'm the worst. I have the patience of a man on fire. I stand outside the microwave complaining to my wife, there's got to be something faster in a microwave. You mean I have to wait a minute to eat dinner? Come on now. But the age of Amazon and overnight shipping, we're just so spoiled of how fast we get things. And sometimes, so Sonny and everyone else watching, at the end of the day, this is a tool that you wear on your face. It is a medical device. It is a fashion accessory. It is a, I'm leaving one out, but at the end of the day, it's a tool. Just like a tool in a workbox, you have to learn how to use it. Distance, intermediate reading. There's going to be times if you recline in a lazy boy to watch TV and you're looking back, you're now looking through the progressive. So I make people distance only glasses to watch TV in, especially if you watch TV in bed. If you want to break the more expensive ones, let me just make you an inexpensive pair of distance only glasses with some really strong hinges on there. My Christian eyewear collection is a perfect example of that. One of the strongest hinges you can put on a pair of glasses, and I can do that for $149 complete. And just watch TV in bed with those. You can't look at your phone. You can't look at the remote. Nearsighted people can take the glasses off to do that. Farsighted people just have to learn how to. Most people know how to drive the remotes anyway. But that's it. Again, if you have any questions, you know where to find us at. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done it already. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination as they become available. Leave a question or comment in the comment section below. Sonny D, I'm going to send out a selfie request along with instructions on how to care for your frame and lenses. But I'd love to have 2 selfies, one with you indoors and then one outside showing them getting dark. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Click on the link above to go to the website. Don't forget the link below on how to use a progressive for the first time. I'm See More Better. Sonny D is going to be seeing more better. And now everyone else is going to get a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.